Okay, so today we'll be discussing about the economics. Okay, the section of economics from what you can say this MPSC subordinate services examination or Group B and Group C exams, which are going to be conducted simultaneously from this year. We are going to discuss the Group B paper. Okay, so let's continue. Yeah, in which state the number of primary agricultural credit societies was highest? Again, a factual question, straightforward factual question. Okay, either you may be knowing the answer or you may not be knowing the answer. There is no ifs and buts in such type of questions. Okay, so answer to this particular question is Maharashtra. Okay, Maharashtra was the time in 2020. Maharashtra was the one which was having highest number of agricultural credit societies. Okay, next one. The government appointed a committee in 1993 on disinvestment in public sector enterprise under the chairmanship of. Now again, see, whatever tricks you're using up till now, MPC has tried to confuse us with this. क्या किया है, सबके shortcuts से इसका नाम पूरा लिखा है. Okay, but this is not the answer. ये एक trap था, honey trap, फंसाने के लिए सबको. Okay, again here our trick goes wrong or our trick fails in this particular part. The correct answer to this is C. Rangarajan. Okay, थोड़ा सा factual data है. 93 में कमेटी बैठी थी, पब्लिक सेक्टर एंटरप्राइजेस, रंगराजन इसके चेयरमैन थे. Okay, so 97 आंसर होना चाहिए रंगराजन. Okay, you will go with Montex and Ahluwalia, seeing the trend which I have told you, tricks, but कभी कभार tricks भी fail होती है. Just remember this, tricks are not successful every time. During 2017 and 2018, foreign direct investment was highest, that is 26. Again, ये कहाँ से आया? Economic survey से आया. This question was derived from economic survey. Percentage in dash sector in India, it was communication services. Okay, it was communication services. Economic survey से directly question उठाया गया है. To track the burgeoning problem of air pollution, the 2021-22 budget proposes to provide an amount of 2217 crores for dash urban centers with a million plus population. Okay, now the question comes million plus. ये भी आया है कहाँ से? Budget से आया है question. Straightforward is taken from the budget. The only thing is if you have read it, you will get it. Okay, so 42 आना चाहिए इसका answer. Again, a factual question, generally to be skipped. नहीं होगा, मगर पढ़ा होगा तो आंसर आएगा, और else it is difficult to answer this particular question. Straightforward fact है ना, that's why. Sorry. So now this is a question of common sense. थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगा दो and you will get the answer. Okay, see what they're saying. Second largest agro based industry in India. Okay, क्या पूछ रहे हो? Second largest agro based industry in India. Which would be the second largest agro based industry in India? Okay, what do you think for this particular thing? क्या लगता है इसका आंसर क्या होगा? एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री की बात कर रहे हैं. फिर इन सिंपल टर्म्स यू कैन से टॉकिंग अबाउट एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्री. जस्ट अ मिनट, कुछ हो गया, एक मिनट रुकना, जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट. Yes, sorry, the problem has been resolved. The tablet was not working, but I guess now it is. Okay, yes, now it is. So first thing, second largest agro-based industry, agriculture. We're talking about something to be agriculture, consumption. Do you consume cotton? No. Iron and steel? No. Sugar? Yes, you can say this particular thing. So first goes with three. Okay, you can see first and three. This option gets eliminated. A simple thing. Oldest industry, see automobile and iron and steel. लगता है क्या oldest रहेंगे? Common sense का question है. This question is completely based on your common sense. No, obviously no. Okay, so cotton industry would be one of the oldest industry. It's an obvious thing. B का 1 आना चाहिए. 3, B का 1, B का 1 here, and you will get the answer. Very simple, very easy. Okay, ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Common sense. This question is to be solved on the basis of your common sense. Just your mental state of mind should be active. That is the only thing that is required. If this is done, then everything would be solved in much quicker way. Okay, CAG has the right to order conduct of audit, order conduct of supplementary audits, and he may also comment upon the audit report within how many days? It is 60 days. It is given the CAG Act. Again, very rare possibilities that you might have read this particular act. बहुत ही कम possibility होती है. Okay, but again छोड़ सकते हो question. If you wish, you can skip this particular question. तुक्का मार सकते हो randomly. Again, extreme answer नहीं होंगे. You can go with that particular sense. Okay, extreme कभी answers नहीं होंगे. It would be somewhere between us. क्योंकि देखो चार में से एक बार गलत होता है तो ठीक है, but if this logic चार में से तीन बार सही हो रहा है तो why to skip this particular logic? तो extreme answer नहीं होते, दोनों के बीच में आंसर होगा. You can go with this particular logic over here. Next, the difference between fiscal deficit and interest payment during the year is called. Now, if you have read what you can say, the basic economics, you know, revenue receipts, sorry, revenue, yeah, receipts minus expenditure, revenue expenditure. अगर ये पॉजिटिव डिफरेंस आ रहा है तो दैट इज डेफिसिट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज फिजिकल डेफिसिट? टोटल रेवेन्यू, टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर माइनस टोटल रेवेन्यू. इफ इट एक्सीड्स तब होता है ना. तो दिस इज इट. तो जब फिजिकल डेफिसिट मिल रहा है एंड इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट द इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट्स फ्रॉम इट, okay, what is it called? It is called as primary deficit, the term introduced by Manmohan Singh. Okay, primary deficit, the fiscal deficit and interest payment during a year, the difference between them is called as primary deficit. Just remember that this particular point. Okay? Consider the following statement in the context of seventh finance commission for 17th, sorry, not seventh, seventh, sorry, seventh, 17th तो बनी नहीं ना. Yeah, seventh finance commission for the distribution of share of states in central excise duty. Okay, ये भी अगर थोड़ा सा factual base रहेगा आपके पास, then you can answer this particular question. And 24% weightage for the population. Okay, I guess this was the right thing. I'm not sure about this particular question. Okay, देख लो एक बार, उतना मेरे को idea नहीं है इसका, but better you can skip this. Okay, चलते हैं, चलो एक बार ट्राई तो करते हैं आंसर करने के लिए. जस्ट अ मिनट. या व्हाट इट सेज, 25% वेटेज फॉर द पॉपुलेशन. ऑब्वियस सी बात है, ये तो रहेगा ही शायद से. ओके, सेकंड थिंग व्हाट दे आर सेइंग इज 33.5% वेटेज फॉर पुअर इन ईच स्टेट. ये तो ऐसे तो कभी कर नहीं सकते. कि दे नॉट, दे कैन नॉट गिव दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज, आई डोंट थिंक ये होगा. ओके, तो बी को अगर निकाल दोगे, दिस वुड गो एंड दिस वुड गो. कि पॉपुलेशन को 25 दे रहे तो अलग से पुअर को तो दे नहीं सकते ना, बिकॉज दिस टू थिंग्स वुड बी कॉन्ट्रडिक्टिंग ईच अदर. फिर बोल सकते हो कि फिट नहीं बैठेगी ऐसे. ओके, सेकंड थिंग 16.5% वेटेज फॉर इंक्रीज इन पर कैपिटा इनकम ऑफ द स्टेट. चलो यार, दो में से 50-50 तो बैठ गया. नाउ कैन यूज योर लॉजिक ओवर हियर. Economics is generally my weaker side. That's why a bit I'm not sure with this particular questions. So the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation Act passed by the Parliament in 2011. Okay, pass करने की बात करें. So 21. This is the next question. 20. Yeah. So 21 में क्या आया था? You can say this was the correct thing. सही है ये statement. And the deposit insurance premium is recovered from the depositor. No, it is recovered from the banks itself. Wrong statement. B is wrong. B is wrong. Cut कर दो. B is wrong. Cut कर दो. B is wrong. Cut कर दो. You get the answer. A and C. Very simple question. अगर ये भी नहीं पता था तो इससे आंसर मिल जाता था. Okay. क्योंकि it is deposit insurance and credit guarantee corporation. Okay. तो DICGC ये बैंक्स को इंश्योरेंस देता है. अगर बैंक को इंश्योरेंस मिल रहा है तो हम क्यों पे करेंगे भाई? इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग. इफ यू जस्ट, अगर थोड़ा सा इकोनॉमिक्स का बेसिक लॉजिक पता हो, then you can go with it. Consider the following statement. संपूर्ण ग्रामीण रोजगार योजना. Okay. संपूर्ण ग्रामीण रोजगार योजना. They are talking about this particular scheme. Uh, it was launched on September 2001. Okay, I'm not sure. करेक्ट भी हो सकता है, रॉन्ग भी हो सकता है. लेट्स वेट एंड सी. करेक्ट पूछा उन्होंने अपने को, तो ए ऑलमोस्ट सब में है. लेट्स सी सेकंड. MGNREGA, मनरेगा was introduced in February 2006. ये तो correct है, B correct है. Okay, if B is correct, then answer should be either of them. ये भी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा. Okay, answer should be either of them, A and B or only B. Okay, let's check this particular thing. A का guarantee नहीं है अपने पास, मतलब C तो 100% wrong ही है. Okay, what is it? The Nehru Rozgar Yojana was launched on October 9. Yes, ये भी correct है. Yes, हाँ, correct ही है. For the benefit of urban poor, not rural. तो अर्बन पोर. चलो सी तो रॉन्ग ही है. ऑब्वियसली ये भी करेक्ट ही होगा. यस, करेक्ट ही होगा. सितंबर 2001. तो ए एंड बी शुड बी द आंसर्स. आंसर 3 should be the correct answer for this. Encasing committee of 2016. Again, if you know this particular thing, सिंपल सा फैक्चुअल डेटा, डायरेक्ट वाला क्वेश्चन, हर किसी को पता ही होगा इसका आंसर. ओके, एनकेसिंग कमिटी ऑफ 2016 इज रिलेटेड टू एफआरबीएम. ओके, अमेंडमेंट इन द एफआरबीएम एक्ट. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. Which of the following was the reason for small land holding during 1980 to 85 in India? Okay, so what they're asking now, they're talking about which of the following were the reasons क्यों small land holding क्यों था during 1880 to 85 in India. Okay, तो obviously ये वाली तो चीज है ही, law of inheritance, what they were doing through this particular law. Okay, um, law of inheritance तो होना चाहिए. Rapid growing population ये भी होना चाहिए. Rural rapid growing joint family system, yes, D would not fit in. डी नहीं बैठेगा इधर. ओके, जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम नहीं बैठेगा इधर. रूरल इंडिपेंडेंस ये भी करेक्ट है. थोड़ा सा लोन वगैरह की वजह से होता था, बेचा जाता था लैंड थोड़ा बहुत. तो डी शुड नॉट बी इन द ऑप्शंस. तो डी नहीं आना चाहिए, डी रहना चाहिए. ओके, लॉ ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस. द फॉलोइंग वर द रीजंस फॉर द स्मॉल लैंड होल्डिंग ड्यूरिंग 1818-1885 इन इंडिया. 1880 and 85, law of inheritance. Yes, you can say the answer is APC. कि जनरली तो ये फिट होता है, बट लेट्स सी आंसर की मैं एक बार चेक कर लेना क्या दिया है आंसर. ओके, ये तो फिट होता है, जनरली ये फिट होता है. 68 now. During which 5-year plan, 3 major steel plants in the public sector were built? Again, a simple question. Okay, थोड़ी देर पहले ही मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया था ये. राउरकेला, भिलाई एंड दुर्गापुर. ओके, कौन सा था ये? सेकंड 5-year plan. Very simple question, straightforward factual question. Okay, next. Which of the following is not the objective of National Population Policy 2000? What they're saying, reducing infant mortality rate, correct है. Universal immunization ये भी है. Midday meal for poor, no, this is not the aim. Incentives to adopt 2-child small family, yes, you can say this is it. ये होगा हमारा correct answer because this is not the aim. This in itself is a separate scheme. Again, common आपने इसके बारे में सुना होगा. There is a separate scheme for this particular thing. Okay, तो यही है हमारा आंसर जिसको हम लोग ढूंढ रहे थे, मिड डे मील की. नेक्स्ट. Which of the following is not a quantitative monetary measure of RBI? Okay, तो देखो बैंक रेट, CRR, SLR ये तीनों एक कैटेगरी में आते हैं. मॉरल सुवेंस नहीं है. ओके, इट इज क्वालिटेटिव टूल, नॉट अ क्वांटिटेटिव टूल. सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है, वेरी बेसिक थिंग. ओके, हियर इट इज डन. सो आई होप यू गाइस हैव गॉट. इकोनॉमिक्स मेरा थोड़ा उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड है नहीं, सो आई कैन नॉट guide or tell you in of economics to a greater extent. ना नहीं बता पाऊंगा मैं आपको. Okay, so that's it about economics. Now we'll move towards the last section, that is of science, and here the first discussion. दूसरा होगा कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, but let's see. ये तो खत्म हो जाएगा. Okay, thank you for being attentive guys. चलो, have a good day.